Ji beta, good morning. We are going to start the chapter 12. It is light and shadows. First of all, do you know something about light? How does light help us? What is the importance of light? Write it in the chat box. What do you know about light? What is the importance of light? What happens when there is no light? Yes. Light helps us to see. Very good, Dakshita. Yes, when there is no light, we are not able to see anything. So light makes the things visible to us. It is a form of energy. ये एक एनर्जी की फॉर्म होती है. This is a form of energy. Is very important for us, and if there is no light, we cannot see. It makes the things visible to us. Okay, that's why when there is dark, जितना मर्जी सामान हो, हमें कुछ भी रूम में दिखाई नहीं देगा until you switch on the light. चाहे आप ट्यूबलाइट, बल्ब, टॉर्च कुछ भी ऑन करोगे, only then you will be able to see. Otherwise you will not be able to see anything around you. And do you know the speed of light? What is the speed of light? It is 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. इसकी बहुत स्पीड होती है लाइट की. 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से ये ट्रेवल करती है इन द स्पेस और इन द एयर. ओके, एंड it's very important. Plants cannot grow when there is no light. They use sunlight. They prepare food by using sunlight. And if there is no light, they cannot prepare the food. Which process they use to prepare the food? Yes, very good, Nitish. Is 2.9 means near about 3 lakh हम कह देते हैं इसको. किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. आपने जो लिखा दिस इज मीटर पर सेकेंड. क्लियर? मीटर और किलोमीटर. यस इज किलोमीटर. आपने किलोमीटर नहीं मेंशन किया. ओके, यस बेटा. Name the process by which plants trap the sunlight to prepare their food. Very good. It is photosynthesis. And this is the process by which solar energy enters the food chain. Then it travels from one level to another. And so plants, and they are at the first level. They trap solar energy. Then it is passed to herbivores, then carnivores, then to top carnivores. ऐसे ये ट्रैवल करती रहती है. Next is luminous and non-luminous bodies. Now give a few examples of luminous bodies. What do you mean by luminous bodies? Write it first. Luminous means, then give the examples. Beta, this is not the time to take breakfast. Okay, do it before the class. You cannot concentrate when you eat sidewise. अब क्लास में हम आपको अलाउ करते हैं ऐसे. अब ऑफलाइन क्लास होगी तो विल यू से कि मैम ये मैं ब्रेकफास्ट पहले कर लूँ, आप बाद में पीरियड लगा लेना. करमन. हाँ जी बेटा.
सॉरी मैम.
यस बेटा. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ल्यूमिनस बॉडीज? Luminous bodies, examples are correct, Dakshita, sun, stars. But how can you define? Very good, Bhanvi, which gives light? Okay, the objects which have their own light, which produce their light, okay, we call them luminous bodies. Those bodies which give their light, which have their own light, which emit light, are called luminous bodies. And we divide it into two. Okay, luminous में एक आती natural और man-made. Give a few examples of natural luminous bodies. Yes, good. Sun, stars. And one more, that is glowworm. उसको firefly भी हम कहते हैं. Moon is not luminous. ये हमने अभी किया है in the last chapter. So sun, stars and glowworm, they are natural luminous bodies and man-made luminous bodies. Write them. Yes, beta, mute yourself. Beta, mute yourself.
ताई नो ताई
हाँ जी बेटा, नॉन ल्यूमिनस बॉडीज, सॉरी, आर्टिफिशियल ल्यूमिनस बॉडीज आर bulb, as tube light, candle, good, and non-luminous bodies. These are the bodies which do not have their own light, जिनकी अपनी light नहीं होती. Yes, Guna's lighter is also there. Yes, जिनकी अपनी light नहीं होती, we call them non-luminous bodies. For example, its planets, its moon, its stones, rocks. Yes, these are non-luminous bodies. So you are looking at the sun. Sun is the natural luminous body. Clear? Then next is the bulb. It is the man-made luminous body. Then next is candle. It is also man-made. And next is glowworm. Okay. So we call it firefly also. It is also natural luminous body. Now next, non-luminous bodies examples. First one is, you can write pen. Okay. And table, chair. अगर material की बात करेंगे तो we can say wood, plastic. Clear? If we are talking about objects, so it is table, chair, pen, then moon. Moon is also non-luminous. We are able to see it because it reflects the sunlight. That's why it shines. Otherwise, it is non-luminous body, like Earth and other planets and other satellites. Next is materials and their behavior towards the light. Some objects, they allow light to pass through them. Some objects, they do not allow light to pass through them. Okay. So according to the behavior, we divide the objects into 3 categories. Okay. Because light do not change the path, it means it changes the path but bend nahi hoti. It always travel in a straight line. It will get reflected. Okay. एक proper path follow करेगी and it will go straight. So light always travels in a straight line. Some objects, they allow light to pass through them. Some do not allow and some allow them partially. So depending upon the behavior of objects towards light, we can classify them into 3 categories. Can you write these 3 categories? 3 classes of objects based on the behavior towards light. Can you write? Yes, beta. You have done this earlier, I think so. Yes. These are translucent, transparent, and opaque. First of all, look at the first picture. The object in front of the torch is transparent because it allows all the light rays to pass through them. आप देख रहे हो ऑब्जेक्ट जो टॉर्च के सामने है उसमें पूरी की पूरी लाइट पास हो रही है. क्लियर? तो all the light rays, they are passing through this. So we call it transparent object. So how can we define transparent objects? Objects which allow light to pass through it pass through them are called transparent objects. So how can you define transparent objects? Objects which allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Clear? Can you give the examples of transparent objects? Write it. Very good. Glass, air, pure water. Clear? When water is pure, then it is transparent. Agar muddy water hai, then it will not be there. But if the water is pure, then it is also transparent. आपकी बुक में सेलोफिन पेपर भी लिखा हुआ है, but sometimes थोड़ा सा वो thick होगा तो we can put it in translucent also. But some of the cellophane sheets, they are transparent. Yes, clean water, glass, air. Then see the picture which is in the middle. Look at the object in front of the torch. You can see a few rays are passed through that objects, but not all the light rays are passing through it. So it allows only some light, some part of the light to pass. Otherwise, it blocks some part of the light. So objects which allow the light to pass through them partially. Partially means पूरी की पूरी light नहीं pass होती, उसका कुछ part pass हो जाता है और कुछ जो है वो reflect हो जाता है. So these type of objects, they are called translucent. Some light passes through them and some part of the light is not allowed to pass through them. They are called translucent. Now, can you give examples? Give examples of translucent objects. Butter paper, frosted glass, very good. You can say scratched glass also, colored glass also, colored plastic sheets you can write. Butter paper, trace paper, you can write oily paper also. When you put a few drops of oil on the paper, so it also becomes translucent because उसमें से आपको धुंधला सा दिखाई देगा. Colored glass, yes, good, Sanvi. Next, see the third picture. The third torch नीचे है. The object in front of this torch allows no light to pass through it. इसके आगे से लाइट पास नहीं हो रही. ओके, जितनी लाइट रेज पड़ रही हैं दूसरी साइड आपको कोई भी लाइट रे दिखाई नहीं दे रही. इट मीन्स इट ब्लॉक्स द लाइट. सो when light passes through, when light does not pass through the object, then it is called opaque object. इसको हम कहते हैं opaque object. Clear? So next is okay, so can you give a few examples of opaque objects? Yes, very good. Wood, metal, cardboard, rock, stones. All these are the objects which do not allow the light to pass through them. ये light को pass होने नहीं देते. Clear? So next is, look at these sheets. Look at the sheet in the hands of first boy. जो सबसे first picture है उस boy के हाथ में जो sheet है. Can you write what type of sheet is this? Are you able to see the face of this boy? Yes, very good. It's opaque. Because why do we say this is opaque? Because you are not able to see the face of the boy through this sheet. So when the objects do not allow the light to pass through them, and you are not able to see through them. They are opaque objects. Okay, ये opaque है because we are not able to see through this. हम इसके आर पार दिखाई हमें नहीं देता, हम इसके थ्रू हम देख नहीं सकते. लाइक जो आप ग्रोसरी शॉप पे जाती हो तो आगे जो शॉपकीपर ने रखे होते हैं ना जार्स, दे आर ट्रांसपेरेंट, उसमें वो चॉकलेट्स टॉफीज वगैरह रखते हैं, तो यू आर एबल टू सी थ्रू देम कि इसमें क्या पड़ा हुआ है. दीज आर ट्रांसपेरेंट, वो ग्लास के होते हैं ना जार्स. बट इस शीट में हमें अब दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, तो दिस इज ओपेक. एंड सेकेंड वन, yes, second one is translucent. Very good. Beta, mute yourself. Second one is translucent. You are able to look at the face of the boy, but it is not clear. Beta, mute yourself. Okay, you are able to see the face of the boy, but it's not clear. You can see it's faint सा दिखाई देता है, हमें धुंधला सा दिखाई देता है. So we call it translucent. So objects through which we can see but not clearly. They allow the light to pass through them but not fully. Only partial light passes through them. Some part of the light passes through them. You can see through them but not clearly. These type of objects are called translucent. Now see the third one. You are able to see through this sheet clearly. This is transparent. So these are the objects which allow the light to pass through them and you are able to see through them clearly. If you are not able to see through them clearly, it is translucent. If you are not able to see through them, opaque. If you are able to see through them clearly, transparent. Is it clear? If you have to write two qualities of opaque, तो ये आप दोनों mention करोगे कि first, do not allow, if you are talking about transparent, allow light to pass through them. Second, we are able to see through them. Clear? Then both ways you have to tell. Next is shadow formation. What is shadow? It is the dark patch formed behind the object, clear, when it is in front of the source of light. Three things are required for this. Write down the three conditions required for shadow formation. All these are in front of you. What is required for the formation of shadow? Shadow is formed. When shadow is formed? When path of the light is blocked by an opaque object. What are the three conditions for the shadow formation? First is opaque object. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट ट्रांसपेरेंट है तो उसमें से लाइट पास हो जाएगी, नो शेडो फॉर्म विल बी फॉर्म्ड. वेरी गुड, बट इट शुड नॉट बी देयर कि ओनली अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स आर आंसरिंग. टेक पार्ट ऑल ऑफ यू. यस, सोर्स ऑफ लाइट इज देयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शेडो तब तक नहीं बनेगी जब तक सोर्स ऑफ लाइट नहीं है, एंड शेडो विल बी फॉर्म्ड व्हेन पाथ ऑफ लाइट इज ब्लॉक्ड. अब जो लाइट का पाथ है वो ब्लॉक हो गया है. किसने ब्लॉक किया है? देयर शुड बी समथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. इसमें सोर्स ऑफ लाइट क्या है? राइट इट. यस, व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट? इट्स bulb. Okay, bulb is there, is source of light, and in front of that source of light what is there? An opaque ball. एक ball है in front of source of light, and on the opposite side of light. बेटा mute yourself.
उधर हो जा बरेनो किया
बेटा mute
ये
yourself.
तो काम पे करा बेटा I am doing him, but I am not able to mute him.
Better
Gurveer.
mute yourself. Yes, Gurveer. Gunpreet also. Better mute yourself. Yes, beta, ball is there. Ball has blocked the path of light, and on the opposite side of the source of light, there is dark patch formed on the screen. Screen is the third condition required for the formation of shadow. अगर पीछे फ्लोर नहीं होगा, वॉल नहीं होगी, जहाँ कोई आपका पीस ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड कुछ भी हो सकता है, which can act as screen. Screen is also very essential for the formation of shadow. Otherwise space में खाली जगह पे shadow नहीं बनेगी, जहाँ पे कुछ भी available नहीं है for the formation of shadow. Screen is also a requirement. There may be wall, or there may be floor, there may be something projector. ओके कुछ भी प्रोजेक्टर की भी स्क्रीन होगी तो फॉर्मेशन होगी शैडो की, इमेज फॉर्म होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. सो 3 थिंग्स आर सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, opaque or translucent object, third one is screen, road may be there. Okay, so 3 things are required for the formation of shadow. Okay beta, and one more thing, that is you should take care, you should know that what is shadow, how is it formed, what are the conditions required for the formation of shadow. Source of light, second I said कि opaque object, but translucent objects की भी shadow होती है, but it is faint. वो धुंधली सी shadow बनाते हैं. There is no shadow for the transparent objects. Transparent objects की shadow नहीं होगी because they allow the light to pass through them. So shadow is formed when path of the light is blocked by an opaque object. जब ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट पाथ ऑफ लाइट को ब्लॉक कर देता है, सोर्स ऑफ लाइट के ऑपोजिट साइड पे लाइट शैडो फॉर्मेशन होती है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट फीचर्स ऑफ शैडो. शैडो के फीचर्स क्या हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट इज ऑलवेज ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. अगर आपके सोर्स ऑफ लाइट राइट हैंड साइड पे है तो शैडो विल बी फॉर्म्ड ऑन योर लेफ्ट साइड. अगर लेफ्ट साइड पे सोर्स ऑफ लाइट है, लाइक सनलाइट है, सन जो आपके लेफ्ट साइड पे है, तो आपकी शैडो कहाँ पे बनेगी? ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. राइट हैंड साइड है तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, जैसे स्टेडियम में बहुत सारी लाइट्स होती हैं तो आप देखोगे कि आपकी जो शैडो हैं वो भी बहुत सारी होंगी, ऑल साइड. क्लियर? So it is always on the opposite side of the source of light, and it does not provide any details about the body. Sometimes तो shape से भी हमें आइडिया नहीं होता, हमें वैसे आइडिया हो जाता है शैडो देखकर कि this is the shadow of a person, this is the shadow of a chair, this is the shadow of a table, but sometimes हमें आइडिया भी नहीं लगता. अदरवाइज कंप्लीट डिटेल इज नॉट देयर. हमें साइज का कंप्लीट नहीं पता चलेगा. इट इज लॉन्गर, इट मे बी शॉर्टर, इट मे बी लॉन्गर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सोर्स ऑफ लाइट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट एंड स्क्रीन. तो शैडो डज नॉट गिव एनी डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट. हमें डिटेल में नहीं पता चलता. वी कैन गेट ओनली एन आइडिया. हमें सिर्फ एक आइडिया मिलता है शैडो से, हमें कंप्लीट डिटेल नहीं पता चलती. एंड इट इज ब्लैक इन कलर ऑलवेज. इसका चाहे देखो बॉय का पिंक कोट डाला हुआ है, बट उसकी शैडो में आपको कहीं भी पिंक कलर नजर नहीं आएगा. It is always dark in color. We can say it is always black in color. Clear? And now look at this. You can do this yourself. You can try it yourself. Okay? तो हमें, मैंने अभी कहा कि हमें सिर्फ आइडिया होता है, बट समटाइम्स हमें आइडिया भी नहीं होता, बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू कैन सी के दिस इज द ओनली शेडो ऑफ ए हैंड, ऑफ टू हैंड्स, हैंड्स की शेडो पड़ रही है, बट उन्होंने शेप ऐसे बनाई है, शेडो को देख के लगता है कि दिस इज द शेडो ऑफ एन एनिमल. क्लियर? But it is not an animal. So sometimes shape of shadow does not resemble the shape of the object. Object की shape से resemble नहीं करती. It is different. You can see some other pictures also. These are the different shapes of hands, but in the shadow, जब आप shadow देख रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है कि दिस इज द शेडो ऑफ एन एनिमल और बर्ड. ओके, बैट की लग रही है कि ये बैट की शेडो है, बट इट इज ओनली द शेप ऑफ हैंड. एंड नेक्स्ट, in the morning time when you look at the shadow of the tree, it will be longest. In the evening also, but उसकी side change हो जाती है. It is always on the opposite side of the sun. मैंने आपको ये वर्कशीट में भी दिया है टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. तो आपने ये डायग्राम में साइंटिफिकली इट शुड बी करेक्ट. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि जिस साइड पे आप सन बना रहे हो सेम साइड पे उसकी शेडो बना रहे हो, तो नंबर 0. In the morning and evening, shadow will be longest and it will be on the opposite side of the sun. Sun की opposite side होगी shadow. And at noon it will be shorter. Noon पे हमारे वो overhead होता है sun, तो उसकी जो shadow है it's not longer, it is small. So it depends on the size of shadow, depends on the distance of source of light, कि source of light हमसे कितना दूर है. Second, distance between object and screen also, इस पे भी depend करता है size of the shadow. And the source is, if the source is closer, longer shadow will be formed. जैसे जैसे अगर आप बैठे हो, टॉर्च लाइट आपके पास आती जाएगी, तो आपकी शेडो वो साइज उसका इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. जैसे जैसे आप टॉर्च को बैक साइड को लेके जाओगे तो शेडो विल बी स्मॉलर. सो इट डिपेंड्स, size of the shadow depends on the distance between source of light and object. Second, between object and screen also. Okay.